We extend we extend a big welcome to Ma'am Shashi Gupta. It is a privilege to have her amongst us. Let me request Ma'am to give a big welcome to her. We also extend a big welcome to all the cluster heads and principals of DAV schools who could join us today. A heartfelt welcome to all the teachers present with us. With deep gratitude and warm regards, we welcome you all once again. Let this event be a celebration of wisdom, collaboration and progress.
We feel extremely delighted as we have gathered here today in celebration of the award ceremony of distinguished principal Mrs. Charu Bedi. She has been conferred with the National Award for Teachers 2024 by the Honorable President of India University. Leadership, transformation, contribution to education and innovative teaching practices. I would now request to the dignitaries to kindly come forward and confer the felicitation to Srimati Charu Bedi along with the citation. With great admiration, I would like to request now request Dr. Poonam Suri ji to come, and he is our mentor, a guide and inspiration, to kindly come forward and do this ceremony. Also, a sincere congratulations on your recent achievement in receiving the prestigious National Award for Teachers. This recognition is a testament to your exceptional dedication, unwavering commitment, and outstanding contribution to education. DAV-CMC takes great pride in acknowledging your steadfast dedication, unrelenting identity, and unending perseverance in DAV ideas and vision. We honor you not only as an ambassador for the cause of holistic education, but also as a source of inspiration with the true embodiment of the values that DAV holds here. Your vision fosters excellence, integrity and growth, making you a deserving recipient of National Teachers Award 2024. Once again, our heartfelt congratulations on this well-deserved honor. May you continue to inspire and lead the DAV flagship towards greater heights with profound appreciation and admiration.
Prestigious honor is a testament to her tireless efforts and unwavering dedication to shaping the future of countless students. Let's all watch a video which gives a glimpse of her journey in the field of education. Please play the video.
कैमरा वाला ना आगे पीछे दिक्कत लगेगा, ये हमेशा खड़ा रहेगा, दिक्कत लगेगा आगे वहीं लगा था, वो बोले कि पीछे ना ना वो कैमरा वाला उसमें बात नहीं, चलो बनाओ आगे फोटो में वो मंगा लेगा, पहले चेक कर लो वो कैमरा वाला को ना, हमारा अपना देखना देखता देखो हमसे बोले पीछे हमको क्या करेंगे। समझ गए, वो अपने चक्कर में बोल दिया ना ना, हम बोले लाइव चल रहा है इसके पूछ लिया फिर अपने सोचे को हमसे अपन कितनी चलिए।
Can we please have the video played here?
ठीक है ना।
श्रीमती चारू मैनी, CBSE हरियाणा।
गुरुग्राम हरियाणा के डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल की प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती चारू मैन शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में नवीनता और समग्र विकास के प्रतीक हैं, जिन्होंने अपने नेतृत्व में स्कूल को नई ऊंचाइयों पर पहुंचाया है। इनके निर्देशन में कई नवाचार हुए, जैसे टॉय पेडागॉजी, विद्या सृजन और बी फिल स्मार्ट। इन्होंने ज्ञान दर्शन व एनसीईआरटी पाठ्य पुस्तकों के लिए ई कंटेंट के विकास में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया।
NEP 2020 में निहित एम्स ऑफ एजुकेशन के अनुरूप हमारे विद्यालय का प्रथम ध्येय यही है कि हमारे विद्यालय से निकलने वाला प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी एक हैप्पी, एम्पैथेटिक और प्रोडक्टिव ह्यूमन रिसोर्स बने।
इनके नेतृत्व में स्कूल ने अकादमिक उत्कृष्टता, नवाचार और समग्र विकास का ऐसा वातावरण तैयार किया, जिसे सरकार ने सराहा। श्रीमती चारू मैन को बतौर शिक्षिका राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार 2024 से सम्मानित किया जाता है।
With great acceleration, I would like to say, may today's program be a grand success, and may the fellowship that we all share today remind us of our sublime role as DAVians. Now, I would like to request Padma Shri Dr. Poonam Suri ji, President DAV CMC, our mentor, guide, and inspiration, to kindly address the gathering. Thank you, sir.
I'm basically photographer. किस तरह बैठते हो, साला नहीं या
कौन सा आउटपुट होता है ये वाला।
Good afternoon, all of you. Today, I feel simply so happy, I cannot even express it in words. You see, Mrs. Maini को जब award मिला, It could not have happened to a better person. She rang me up from the place itself, saying, "Sir, मुझे मिल गया अवार्ड." मैंने कहा वाह बहुत अच्छा हो गया, बहुत अच्छा हो गया, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. लेकिन मैम आपके साथ साथ और भी लोग जिनको अवार्ड्स पिछले कुछ देर में मिले हैं. Mrs. Himal Bhatt, I think she's here. Then there is Mrs. Reena Rajpal, she's also here. And then there is Mrs. Rashmi Biswas, she's also here. So many national awards for DA. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. DAV दिन ब दिन आप सबकी मेहनत से, dear teachers, all of you are putting in your best. And with that, DAV is progressing every day. We are going higher and higher and higher. And let me tell you one thing, very, very shortly, we will be crossing that 1,000 institution mark. Very, very shortly. So, it is something I owe thanks to all of you. It is your hard work which is now coming forward. This award which all the principals have got, of course they have worked hard for it. But, ma'am, it was not possible unless the teachers supported you right to the hilt.
Yes.
Actually, आज जब बात हुई तो मुझे कहा गया कि आप सक्सेस के ऊपर कुछ बोलें. So I thought of a roadmap to success. लेकिन कुछ शर्म भी आती है कि सक्सेस हासिल तो किया चारू मैनी ने और बोलू मैं. She should be the one who should be telling us the roadmap, how she got it. And I can tell you one way. Thanks to Kapil Mani. ये तो हो नहीं सकता था ना. आप कहते रहते कोई घर में बुड़बुड़ होती रहती तो कहाँ से मिलता अवार्ड. ये तो घर में शांति थी. You put up with everything and put up with all the things that DAV wants her to do. And thank you very much, Kapil ji. Today you make us proud and the entire DAV by her hand. मेरे ख्याल में स्टेज की अगर लाइटें बंद कर देंगे तो जरा ज्यादा नजर आएगा. थैंक यू. You see, success. सारी लाइटें बंद करने की जरूरत नहीं है ऐसे विषय. This is something, in all my travels, I have never met a single person who does not want success. Not a single person. Everybody asks, yes, we want success. They may not know the meaning of success. That's a different question. But everybody wants. मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ और पूछ रहा हूँ, कहीं ऐसा हो कि भाई अब की बारी कोई मेरे को मिल जाए who does not want success. Is there anybody here who does not want success? Who wants to be a failure? Is there anybody? See, nobody. Here again, निराशा मिली क्योंकि success हर एक को चाहिए. जितने principals आए हुए हैं, AROs आए हुए हैं, सब मेरे colleagues, office bearers, सब आए हुए हैं. All the vice presidents are here today. Mrs. Mani, I think कि आपका कोई करिश्मा है कि सब के सब यहाँ पे आ गए हैं. So everybody looks for success, wants success. What is this success? You must have heard of the famous builder Rockefeller in USA. He said it's very simple to be successful. Get up early in the morning and go and find oil. If you find oil on your property, you are a success. पंजाबी में कहते हैं जिनको पंजाबी आती है कि जी ना दे कर दाने और ना दे कमले भी सियाने. तो जो भी है, अगर पैसा है तो सक्सेस है. This was Rockefeller said. Can I have the next slide, please? Actually, success is somewhat some sort of a lock. It is a combination lock. If you know one number, it will not open. You know 2, it will not open. You know 3, it will not open. You know all 4, it may still not open if you don't know that in the right manner. It has to be in the right order, only then the lock will open. And every person that I have asked, everyone has a different definition of success. Nobody has the same. Rockefeller said, paisa, wealth. Some people say fame. कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो मेरे ख्याल में आज स्टार्ट करने के लिए मेरे सामने मिसेस भट्ट बैठे हैं. She is also an award winner. Ma'am, can you give me your definition of a success? What do you think it is? For you, you got the award. What is that success that you think it is?
My idea of success would finding happiness in everything that I do, sir.
Oh, great, great, very good, very good, very good, very good. Very. Where's Mrs. Charu Mani? What's your definition of success?
My definition of success, because I am heading the school, so would be seeing a successful student who walks out of my, every child who walks out of my portals. This DAV portal is a successful, empathetic and happy human being.
Very good, ma'am, very good. She sees her success in the other's success. So that if you have 4,000 students, all 4,000 become success, you are successful, right? I don't know whether you have 4,000, maybe you have more, sorry.
No, I am lesser.
I'll tell you how this definition of success works. It keeps changing as per time. Today, she's a principal, therefore the principal's idea of a success was that. It keeps changing. I'll tell you, when I was a young boy, I went to Missouri in 1957 in class 5. And I was poor because I was from here, from DPS. From Delhi, DPS in class 5, I was shifted there. वहाँ पे सारे गोरे टीचर थे, भाषा ही नहीं समझ आती, बड़ी मुश्किल थी, तो बड़ी मुश्किल से क्लास 6 में जाना बनता रहा. So my definition of success in those days was, if I can get promoted, I am successful. It was so simple as that. Then gradually I became a better student. By class 9, I thought, if I can come in the first 3, then I am successful. Now, I make model aeroplanes. And when they fly, I say, Eureka! I'm a success. Now, my success is changing with my age, with my status, with the place where I am placed. Success keeps on changing. So there is no one definition of success. Everybody's success will be different. The dictionary gives one meaning for success. The Oxford Dictionary says, when you achieve what you set out to achieve, it is a success. Cambridge Dictionary says, achieving results wanted or hoped for. That is the Cambridge Dictionary's success. I don't agree with any of them. I would say, if I achieve what I set out to achieve and it gives me happiness, then it is a success. Otherwise it is not a success. I'll give you a small story. किसी को बताना मत, आपके मेरे बीच में है बस. एक छोटी सी कहानी. It happened in our office. It's a true story. It happened in our office in DAV. I'm talking about a certain gentleman. It was difficult to prove. लेकिन कंप्लेंट कुछ ऐसी थी कि जिसको नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता था. एक कमेटी बनाई, बड़ा उसके ऊपर दबाव लगाया, नया नया प्रधान बना था. तो बड़ी मुश्किल से दिमाग लगा के कमेटी बनाई, कमेटी के अंदर सारी चीज़ें तहकीकात करी गई, पता करा गया discreetly because the person was an office bearer. Discreetly सारा कुछ पता लगा कि when I had proof beyond doubt and the file was developed, Mr. Prabodh Mahajan sat with me at that time and together we called that gentleman. उनके सामने papers रखे, उनको बोला this is the proof we have and now the two alternatives I have: resign, pay back all the money that has been misused. Number two, my second alternative is I take the matter to the managing committee and have an FIR filed. I have no other alternative. The gentleman, I think better sense prevailed. He chose, I will resign and pay back the money. He gave us the checks. He gave me post-dated checks, 3 of them, and resigned, gave me a resignation. Now, I have achieved what I set out to achieve, but it gave me no happiness, none whatsoever. I had lost a colleague. That night, I could not sleep. मेरे दिमाग में क्या ख्याल आया? गलती तो इसने करी, जहां पे भी उसकी बीवी जाएगी, उसकी पत्नी जाएगी, लोग कहेंगे ये तो उसकी पत्नी है। उसके बच्चे जब स्कूल जाएंगे तो बाकी के मजाक करेंगे ये तो उसके बच्चे हैं। गलती करी उस इंसान ने और सजा मिल रही है बीवी और बच्चों को। I did not get any happiness out of it. I did not consider it a success. Therefore, I personally feel success is only there if when you achieve what you set out to achieve and it gives you happiness, only then it can be termed as a success. मेरा मानना है, आप सबका अपना अपना, हर एक का अपना अपना होता है, everybody has his own. लेकिन if you ask me today, what exactly is your definition of success? My definition of success, which I feel is a goal worth going for, which people in my age group maybe would love to listen to and then form their own opinions upon it. That is, to leave a situation, a place, or even this world a little better than when I had found it. That I feel is success. Because that will surely give you happiness. So I feel that is success. But then, उसके अंदर मेरे को एक उर्दू का शेर याद आ गया, माना कि दुनिया को गुलजार न बना सकेंगे हम, माना कि दुनिया को गुलजार न बना सकेंगे हम, कुछ कांटे ही कम कर चले निकले जिधर से हम। So now, can I have the next one, please? You see the little fella trying to do push-ups? Well, he can do all the push-ups he likes. You will not be a success because of that. You can never ever attain success if somebody else does the hard work. You can never ever hope to get a better body, a better physique if somebody else is doing the push-ups. You can never ever hope to get higher consciousness if somebody else is doing the meditation. You have to do it yourself. There is no other way to it. खुद करना पड़ेगा. मेरे को बात याद आती है, लेकिन आजकल आप देखते हो, आप मंदिरों में हर जगह पे कोई ना कोई पंडित बैठा होता है, आपके बाजू के ऊपर एक वो लाल धागा बांधता है और शुरू हो जाता है कि जी मैं आपके नाम की पूजा कर देता हूँ, आपके पिताजी के नाम की पूजा कर देता हूँ, खानदान के सारों के नाम की पूजा कर देगा। पूजा तो सिर्फ अपनी कर रहा है, आपका तो सिर्फ नाम लग रहा है, आप तो सिर्फ पैसे दोगे, दैट्स ऑल। मेरे को एक कहानी याद आती, बात याद आती है। एक बार हम बॉम्बे गए, मनीष जी और मैं, हम दोनों तो मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा उस फैमिली का, वेरी वेल नोन फैमिली, हम उनके घर जाके ठहरे। दे आर वेरी वेरी रिच पीपल, दे हैड देयर ओन शिपिंग कंपनी, उनके अपने शिप्स थे 2-3। तब हवन हो रहा था, एक इकलौता सिंगल हड्डी का पंडित वहां बैठा हुआ और स्वाहा स्वाहा करी जा रहा था। मेरे को लगा अच्छा ये बात है। जब हम ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए पहुंचे तो मैंने कहा जी सेठ जी, सेठ साहब उनको सेठ जी बुलाते थे सब, मैंने कहा सेठ जी बड़ा अच्छा लगा सुबह सुबह आपके घर में हवन हो। कहते हाँ अब क्या करें, हमारे पास तो फुर्सत नहीं होती, ना उठा जाता है, तो हमने एक आदमी रखा हुआ है, वो रोज मेरे आगे हवन करके चले जाता है। मेरा दिल करा उनको मैं कहूं कि सेठ जी भाड़े के टट्टू नहीं चलेंगे। बात यह बड़ी सीधी सी बात है, अगर स्वर्ग जाना है तो खुद ही मरना पड़ेगा, और कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव नहीं है कि मरे वो स्वर्ग में जाऊं, ये हो नहीं सकता। नेक्स्ट, can I have the next? Now here you find a little equation. H plus R is equal to O. H is a happening. Now happenings happen. That is why they are known as happenings, because they happen. They just have a way of happening without asking you, without anything. Anything can happen at any time. R, the way you respond to it, to that happening. Your response on that happening is what is going to determine the O, which is outcome. So अब 2 plus 2 is always equal to 4. If you want to be successful, you don't want the outcome of 4. You want it 5 or 6. Only then you are success. Am I right? Yes. The principals who got the awards. You fully agree with me? You will want it to be 5 or 6. तभी तो मिलेगा award, नहीं तो क्यों मिलेगा? तो उसके लिए क्या तरीका है? हैपनिंग तो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं, वो तो हो गई। आपके कंट्रोल में क्या है? आपका रिस्पॉन्स। उस रिस्पॉन्स के अंदर कभी कभी नीजक रिएक्शन आ जाती है। इफ यू रिएक्ट टू अ सर्टेन थिंग, 99% वो 4 नहीं होगा, 2 रह जाएगा, जो टोटल बनेगा। क्योंकि आउटकम को बराबर करने के लिए वेल थॉट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स चाहिए, और बेटर करने के लिए तो बहुत ही थिंकिंग प्रोसेस उसमें डालना पड़ेगा कि हाउ कैन आई मेक इट बेटर, हाउ शुड यू रिस्पॉन्ड, कैसे आप उसको कर सकते हैं। अब इमेजिन कीजिए जो प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, दे विल अप्रिशिएट इट मोर, द टीचर्स विल आल्सो अप्रिशिएट इट, समडे यू ऑल विल बी प्रिंसिपल्स। जस्ट इमेजिन रिसेप्शन में एक जेंटलमैन खड़ा है और काफी जरा जोर जोर से बोल रहा है। रिसेप्शनिस्ट आपके पास आती है और आपको आगे कहती है कि मैम बाहर कोई ऐसे करके कोई जेंटलमैन आया, बहुत जोर जोर से बोल रहा है, उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, ये है वो है, फलाना है टिमकाना है, शायद पेरेंट है। अब इमीडिएटली नी-जर्क रिएक्शन आती है, व्हाट द ब्लिविंग हेल, what the hell? How dare he come and speak loudly in my school? That is a reaction that will come. But then, if that is the reaction, outcome is going to be very poor. So then you think. जब आप सोचना शुरू करते हो तो पहला आता है माइंड के अंदर एक इमेज बनता है, कहीं वो जो बाहर बोल रहा है कहीं मूंछों वाला तो नहीं है, कहीं और ज्यादा कहीं कोई मतलब मुसलमान ही खड़ा हो, किस किस्म का आदमी है, मीक है, क्या मैं उसको समझा सकूंगी, क्या वो मेरी बात समझेगा। वो सारी चीजें आपके दिमाग में आती हैं, और फिर दिमाग में लाने के बाद फिर आप सोच के आप बाहर जाके उससे पूछते हो कि क्या बात है, और कहता है मैम बाहर किसी ने पार्किंग करी है, मेरी गाड़ी नहीं निकल सक रही। सो सिंपल इज दैट, एंड प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व। सो रिस्पॉन्स इज व्हाट मैटर्स, हाउ यू रिस्पॉन्ड टू ईच एंड एवरी ओकेजन, योर रिस्पॉन्स मैटर्स। Keep that very much in your mind. Next week. These are some of the different responses. All these slides have been made by Yogi, my son. So you can imagine the responses that he thinks can be given at that time when some of the things were happening. अब इसमें मैं एक छोटा सा आप सबके साथ I would like you to try an experiment with me. I don't know whether these mics are working. Are they working? No? Let us try. Just fold your hands like that, please. और ऐसे जैसे बैठते ना आराम से ऐसे कर लीजिए अपने हाथ को. Just do something like this. हाँ? Now देखिए आपने ऐसे करा है. Now I will release. वापस कर लीजिए. Move your finger. Then go back and do it. When you go back, just make sure if your right thumb was on top of the left one, now let it be the other way. Take down that thumb and put the other thumb on top of it. Chota sa difference. How do you feel?
Not very
There is
comfortable.
a little discomfort.
Yes.
You feel little uneasy. ये क्या गलत? ये तो सिर्फ मैंने उठक रहा है. And there is a little discomfort. Don't be afraid of that discomfort. It is this discomfort that will take you to success. That is what it is. In everything, there is discomfort. If you stay in your comfort zone, जहाँ बैठे रहोगे. स्कूल भी चलते रहेंगे, डेली भी चलता रहेगा, आप भी बैठे रहो. लेकिन अगर सक्सेस पे जाना है, तो थोड़ा सा डिस्कम्फर्ट उठाना पड़ेगा. सिर्फ आपको ही नहीं, आपके हस्बैंड को भी जैसे कपिल जी ने उठाया. Now, when I say discomfort, I'll give you a little example also. You must have all heard of the Lexus car. बड़ी फेमस गाड़ी है, बहुत अच्छी गाड़ी मानी जाती है. आजकल तो हाइब्रिड भी आ गई है, बहुत बढ़िया आ गई, बड़ी महंगी गाड़ी. Second World War, USA had not yet stepped into the war. And the sales of Lexus car company were going down. Nobody, what going down? There was no sale. People were afraid to move out in the evening के बाहर जाके देखे, showroom देखे. They were afraid to do that. क्योंकि पता नहीं किस वक्त USA enters into the war. Everybody was glued to their TV sets, to their radios. कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. So Lexus car company was failing. They thought कि क्या करें. Now I'm talking about this company. कि how they thought out of the box. Whoever was the manager of that showroom, he called all his salesmen and told them, "Okay, go to parties of the rich. Find out where the rich are getting together. They'll be playing cards, they'll be talking about banking, they'll be talking about whatnot, they'll be talking about all sorts of things. Attend those parties. To attend those parties, you must dress up like the rich. Put on good clothes, good suits, everything very nice. You should have everything very good. And drive up in a Lexus. Go and park your car outside and go in. And the first man you meet, shake him by the hand and say, 'Sir, how are you, sir? What are you doing now, sir?' He'll most probably say, 'I'm a banker doing this there, and I'm opening a branch over there, I'm doing that there.' After listening to him say, then naturally he will ask you, 'What do you do, sir?' He says, 'Sir, I represent the Lexus, sir. Would you like to try one? I have one outside.' It is standing right outside. You don't have to go anywhere, sir. Just standing outside. And if a rich man once sits in a Lexus, उसके बाद मारुति में नहीं बैठेगा. And he has a sale. That way, Lexus car company improved its sale despite the war, when every other car company was failing in the war. This is what it is. कि थोड़ी सी problem उनको हुई कि leave your showrooms, go out, take the cars out to people wherever they are. But the method worked. Next please. You see, there are only 3 places where you can change your responses. One is your behavior, how you behave with the other person. One is your thought, and the images in your mind that keep coming. Like I said, मुझे वाला तो नहीं आया. वो images बनते हैं. तो उसके लिए that thought के ऊपर ही सारा कुछ based है. Your behavior will be based on your thought. The images will be based on your thought. So let's worry about the thought. अब thought के लिए I will try a little experiment in front of you. Can I request Mani ji to please come up? Please come up on the stage. Please, ma'am, give her a hand. It's been very hard. I have to ask her a choice. You can take this. Are they both working or not? Can they both work? This one and that one? Can they both work? Okay. Thank you. Now, the experiment is my thoughts. The physiology changes. Your physique changes because of your thoughts. Dr. Rana बैठे हैं. He is already agreeing with me. Yes, it is correct. तो इसलिए ये जो thinking process है, इसी पर based है आपकी सारी physiology. If you tell the truth, see what happens. You give me your hand, please. Take the other. Now, put it out straight. Put it straight out. Now this hand at the moment, I know she can box me very well. But still, I will ask her, what is your name? Mani. There is a little strength in that because she is telling me the truth. Now I will ask her again, tell me an untruth, which she never does, but anyway. तो झूठ नहीं बोलना नहीं तो घर जाके मेरी ऐसी कम तैसी हो जाएगी. तो please. Now बोलो जी. Any untruth?
My name is Sunita.
You see, when she says my name is Sunita, there is practically zero. She's just holding the arm over there, but she's not being able to hold it. वो strength नहीं रहती है हाथ के अंदर. जब आप सच बोल, brain is not meant to speak a lie.
Yes.
God never made it in such a way कि झूठ बोले. सच बोलने के लिए brain बनाया भगवान ने. तो वो सच को रखने के लिए उसी हिसाब से सच बोलोगे. एक और मैं बात बताऊं. अगर कोई नेगेटिव बात बोलोगे, तब भी वीकनेस आ जाएगी. You have to stay positive. Speak positive things. Now, let us try. Put your arm out, please. Stretch it out properly. Now, say a negative thing. Come on, loudly, clearly, please. हाँ, बोलो ना. You know what she said? She's not saying it in a mic. You know what she said? She said, for the last 50 years, I've not been able to control it. अब मैं इसके बारे में मैं क्या कह सकता हूँ? So, anyway, I don't want to ask anymore. I'll tell you about these negative things. When you speak negative, never ever speak a negative. Please, you should keep that in your mind. Never say, I cannot do this. I cannot do that. This cannot be done. That's a negative. Always look for ways and means. Find solutions. Don't find problems. Look for solutions. If there is something that you feel that this cannot be done, look, इसी तरीके से तो हो सकता है. Suppose, dear teachers, your principal tells you कि भाई ये काम करना है, you have to finish it by such and such date. Now, instantaneously, this can't be done, man. This is not possible, sir. That is instantaneous. That's the reaction. Don't do that. Calculated response. उसको calculate कीजिए, समझिए, और मेरे को अगर ये हेल्प मिल जाए, अगर मेरे साथ वो अकाउंटेंट बैठ जाए, मेरे साथ अगर वो बैठ, then we can do it. So don't say it cannot be done. Say yes, I will do it, but give me this help. That is the way to go forward. That is what will lead you to success. Just to say I cannot done, no success. I remember the company in England where I was doing my training. In that company there was a thing, if the boss said something, gave you a target, and you said, I cannot do this, it's not possible. Immediately you say, fine £1. 18 पाउंड मेरे को मिलते थे हफ्ते के, उसमें से अगर एक निकल जाए तो बड़ा मुश्किल है, गुजारा नहीं होता था। एंड वो इकट्ठे करके सारे जो पाउंड सबके जब इकट्ठे हो जाते थे, हफ्ते के बाद फिर पार्टी होती थी, सब खा पी के गुजारा कर। बट यू वर फाइन। So dear principals, look for ways and means how you can also train your staff to be positive, to speak positive, to say yes I can, like that. वो जो क्या वो Bob the Builder एक टॉय मिलता है ना, जैसे में Bob the Builder, yes I can, yes I can, yes I can, yes I can. Just make a little addition to it. उनकी language Americans की poor है, say yes I will. सिर्फ कैन ही नहीं, आई विल पे चले जाओ, उस पे जाके अपने स्टाफ को मोटिवेट कीजिए, उसको आगे चलाइए। Henry IV, you must have heard of the gentleman who made that Model T. That gentleman said once, if you say I cannot do it, or if you say I can do it, both the ways you are telling the truth. Now it looks absurd. If I cannot do it, still I'm telling the truth. If I can do it, I'm still telling the truth. He said, if you say you cannot do it, you will never try and nothing will ever happen. But if you say, yes, I can do it, you will make an attempt. If not all, something will happen. So both cases you are telling the truth. So work on that, please. Change slides, please. Persist. It's very, very important to persist. Don't give up so easily. जरा सा कुछ हो गया, अब जैसे आपने अवार्ड के लिए मेरे को मालूम है बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स वगैरह भरने पड़ते हैं, बहुत कुछ इधर उधर भाग दौड़ करनी पड़ती है। अब जरा सा कहते हैं कौन करे ये झगड़ा, तो रह गया था ना अवार्ड, तभी मिला क्योंकि you persisted in yes I'm going to get it. So you have to persist. हमारे स्वामी जी, स्वामी दयानंद जी बता गए थे, चरय वेदी, चलते रहो, रुको मत। And remember one thing, if you keep on moving, you may किसी को stumble onto something and you may fall. But if you, I've never seen a man fall from a chair, except once. I saw a man fall once, I tell you, and that was in the managing committee office. Meeting चल रही थी managing committee की. I mean, you may laugh, I won't give his name, but you may laugh. He was sitting on a chair, that principal, and that principal's point was being discussed. And suddenly there was a drum. हमने कहा ये क्या हुआ? कि जी प्रिंसिपल साहब को नींद आ गई, वो गिर गए। मैंने पहली बार देखा था किसी को भी। चलते हुए तो कईयों को लग जाती है चोट, गिर जाते हैं, गिर के फिर जब उठेंगे तो फिर वो बड़े एक्सपीरियंस के साथ उठेंगे और वही उनको सक्सेस की तरफ लेकर जाएगा। Now, persistence के बारे में I'll just give you a little story. It was just before Christmas. Late decision लिया. Tomorrow is Christmas, say 24th of December. A group of friends, they got together and they said, कि कुछ इकट्ठे करके पैसे, let's go and give it to those who are less fortunate. We will buy some cake, we will buy some bread, we will buy some pastries, we will buy some sweets and give it to those who are less fortunate. जाके बांटते हैं, चीजें गए, बाजार गए, खरीद के ले आए। अब by the time शाम हो गई, Christmas Eve आ गई। Christmas Eve के ऊपर the all offices close at around 1:30 और Christmas Eve तो Christmas से भी ज़्यादा बड़ा छुट्टी होती है। कोई जाता ही नहीं कहीं, कुछ नहीं, सब बिल्कुल डेड हो जाता। देयर ओनली पीपल आर डूइंग अपना बस इधर उधर घूम रहे हैं, हैप्पीनेस है, कुछ थोड़ा सा ट्रिम लगा के तो अपना सब इधर उधर हो रहे हैं। तो now they had collected a lot of baskets full of sweets. They wanted कि कोई वैन मिल जाए जिस वैन में हम इनको रखकर वहां पहुंचा दे, where the poorest of the poor live. Automatically, when a group forms, automatically one leader crops up. Automatic change. Somebody will be starting to lead. So let's call him a leader. The leader said, told such and such, why don't you go and check the yellow pages? Maybe you'll find some van, telephone them, the van will come. He went, checked the yellow pages, telephoned everywhere, wherever he could. And everybody told him, makes sense, on Christmas Eve, who is going to come? Nobody is coming. People won't pick up the telephone, they said no. Now that fellow came and told the leader, nothing is going to happen, there is nothing, let's go home. We'll take our gifts ourselves. घर चल के वहीं मौज पकड़ेंगे. भूल जाओ. We cannot get it to the poorest of the poor. But the leader did not give up. He persisted. He said, let me think. Where are the vans? On the road. He said, let's go to the road. जो वैन जा रही है, उन्हें try and stop it. जो भी वैन निकले, उसको हाथ दे, उसको रोकने की कोशिश करे. कोई रुके ही. Everybody was in a hurry. वो थोड़ा सा ऐसे करके फिर निकल जाए तो कुछ करे. Nobody stopped. But he still persisted. He did not give up. He said, where do they have to stop? At the stoplight. So he said, let's go to the stoplight. We wait there. He will have to stop here. जो भी वैन आएगी या रुकेगी उसको जाके फिर बात करेंगे, समझाएंगे कि ये करना है, ऐसे है, ये. We are not doing something for ourselves. It is for the poor. We want to help the poor. You help us. इसमें बड़ी बात क्या मांग रहे हैं? So they went to the stoplight, and at the stoplight they asked one, somebody said, "No, I'm in a hurry, I have to do this." Somebody said something. But आज जाके persistence के बाद, घंटे सवा घंटे के बाद, a van drove up in which a uniformed person was sitting. और उसकी जो कैब थी, वो साइड वाली उसके बकेट सीट पे पड़ी, पैसेंजर सीट पे. जैसे ही गाड़ी रुकी, they asked him, they told him, "Do you want to help the poorest of the poor?" He was more than helpful. He said, "Oh, sure, I would definitely like to do it. You tell me where you want to go. We will go and distribute it. I know the places where they are." Because he was the chairman of the Salvation Army of London. You see, God helps those who persist and keep on helping the people. If you give up and say that, ठीक है, खत्म हो गई बात ही, the poorest of poor would have remained poorest of the poor, and nothing would have happened. Persistence is a very important thing. Next. Now, it is depend upon God, yes. Without that, you cannot function. But don't only depend on God. अब एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे अगरबत्तियां लेके मंदिर के अंदर, सिर्फ बच्चे ही नहीं, बच्चों के पेरेंट्स भी, कि चलो जी वहां जाके फलाने मंदिर में जाके ये कर देंगे, फलानी जगह जाके हवन करा लेंगे, वो फलानी जगह जाके ये कर देंगे. करो, कोई बुरी बात नहीं है, अच्छी बात है, लेकिन सिर्फ ये करने से कुछ नहीं होगा, पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So don't only depend on God. You have to do your work yourself. खुद करना पड़ेगा आपको काम. So that is not all. Just only depending on God is not enough. मेरे को एक वो ये फोटोग्राफ जो बनी हुई है, खैर ये तो वैसे ही है, लेकिन I remember a story. This is Borari village, Delhi में. जो लोग वहाँ के रहने वाले हैं उस तरफ के, there is anybody, I think you would know about Borari, ma'am, Sneha. Borari village, आपके पास ही है, आपके पास है. हाँ जी, नहीं गए नहीं, लेकिन उसके पास ही है, आपके पास ही है, आपके पास. You heard of it? हाँ, तो बुरारी विलेज के अंदर जब 1977 जमुना में बहुत बड़ा फ्लड आया, इतना जबरदस्त फ्लड था कि बुरारी विलेज में लोग कहते थे 18 फुट पानी आ गया। कहाँ जमुना और कहाँ जीडी रोड के ऊपर पानी चल रहा। It was a huge flood that had come. तो उस फ्लड के अंदर एक जेंटलमैन वहां पे जो गांव का रहने वाला था बुरारी का, वो भागता भागता अपनी छत के ऊपर चढ़ गया और जब छत पे चढ़ा तो पानी उसकी कमर तक था। वहां से किश्ती आई, किश्ती वाले ने उसको बोला कि भाई मेरे पीछे पानी और आ रहा है, चल बैठ जा किश्ती में, हम तेरे को किनारे छोड़ देंगे। कहता ना ना ना, मुझे राम पर भरोसा है, मुझे तो राम ही बचाएगा। पानी और ऊपर बढ़ने लगा, किश्ती वालों को भी और काम जब निकल गए। थोड़ी देर के बाद एक मोटर बोट आई, तब तक पानी उसकी छाती तक था। उन्होंने कहा बैठ जा, पानी और आ रहा है। तो ना ना, मुझे राम पर भरोसा, मुझे तो राम ही बचाएगा। वो भी चले गए, पानी और बढ़ा, उसके गर्दन तक आ गया। ऊपर से हेलीकॉप्टर आया, हेलीकॉप्टर वाले ने रस्सी फेंकी कि पकड़ ले रस्सी, तेरे को किनारे छोड़ देंगे। ना, मुझे राम पर भरोसा है, मुझे राम ही बचाएगा। हेलीकॉप्टर वाला भी चला गया। थोड़ी देर के बाद वो राम का प्यारा राम को प्यारा हो। जब पहुंचा उसके पास, जाके कहता है यार भगवान, तेरे ऊपर इतना भरोसा किया और तूने मुझे डुबो दिया। भगवान ने कहा देख भाई, तेरे लिए किश्ती भेजी, तेरे लिए मोटर बोट भेजी, तेरे लिए हेलीकॉप्टर भेजा, तू अपने हाथ पैर चलाने में तैयार भी तो करना ही है। तो इसलिए अपने हाथ पैर भी हिलाने पड़ेंगे, सिर्फ भगवान पे भरोसा करना काफी नहीं है, अपने हाथ पैर भी साथ साथ हिलाएंगे। मैंने इसमें कुछ बरस पहले हमारे जितने शास्त्र हैं उनका अध्ययन करके 5 प्र बनाए थे। पहला प्र है प्रतिज्ञा। अगर आपने किसी चीज को हासिल करना है, कहीं पे पहुंचना है, तो पहला प्र है प्रतिज्ञा। मेक अप योर माइंड टू डू इट। यस आई विल डू इट। डोंट हैव सेकंड थॉट्स, इफ एंड बट नहीं है, आई विल डू इट। मेक अप योर माइंड, आई हैव टू डू इट। दूसरा प्र है पुरुषार्थ। जो आपने प्रतिज्ञा करी है उसके हिसाब से आगे अपने आप को बढ़ाइए, काम कीजिए। वर्क एज इफ ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू। Everything is your problem. Work on it, keep on, put in your level best, better than your best. If I may use the word, I don't know English में तो है नहीं, bestest. वो लगा दीजिए उसके अंदर। और फिर उसके बाद, after you have done your best, then pray. फिर आता है वो प्रार्थना। फिर प्रार्थना करो। याद रखो, प्रार्थना का हक उसी को है जिसने पुरुषार्थ किया है। अगर पुरुषार्थ नहीं किया तो प्रार्थना का भी कोई हक नहीं। पहले पुरुषार्थ करो, फिर प्रार्थना करो। और जब प्रार्थना भी कर ली उस वक्त ऐसे प्रार्थना करो, पुरुषार्थ करते वक्त एज इफ ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, प्रार्थना करते वक्त एज इफ इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन गॉड। और जब प्रार्थना हो चुकी उसके बाद आता है प्रतीक्षा। get involved in thinking small or thinking big is the same. ये नहीं है कि बड़ा सोचना तो बड़ी ताकत लगानी पड़ी, ताकत उतनी ही लगेगी जितनी छोटे में लगेगी। तो बड़ा सोचो, छोटा सोचो ही मत। Whenever you make a plan, make a big one. मैं आपको एक बात सुना दूं। एक बारी एक सड़क के ऊपर भिखारी बैठा था, पैसे नहीं थे उसके पास, बैठा था सड़क के ऊपर और हाथ ऐसे करके मुंह में डाली है, हाथ ऐसे करे मुंह में डाल ले, फिर हाथ ऐसे करे मुंह में डाल ले। एक पठान निकला, पठान ने कहा कि भाई ये क्या कर रहा है? कहता है जी पैसे तो है नहीं, मैं सोच रहा हूं कि मैं चने खा। कहते हैं अगर सोच रहा है तो पिस्ता खा, चने क्यों खाना? पिस्ता खा। तो इसलिए always think big. Make castles in the air, dear teachers, dear principals. Make the castles in the air. Your job is to put the foundations under them. Castles are meant to be in the air. Castle lying on the ground would be useless. It's supposed to be in the air. So build them there. No problem at all. मेरे को ग्रैंडफादर क्लॉक देख के एक बात याद आ रही है, मैं कुछ फिगर्स भी लिख के लाया था। एक बारी एक ग्रैंडफादर क्लॉक, एक ग्रैंडफादर क्लॉक की जो लाइफ होती है about 100 years. It has a very boring job, extremely boring job, standing somewhere in the corner, tick tock, tick tock, very boring, extremely boring job. So one gentleman went up to grandfather clock and said, "Okay, grandfather clock, in 1 minute you will do tick tock 60 times. In 1 hour, 3,600 times. Don't calculate, ma'am. I'm not in 1 day, in 24 hours, 86,400 times. In 1 year, 3 crores, 15 lakhs, 36,000 times. 100 years is the life of the clock. Therefore, you will have to do tick-tock 315 crores, 36,000 times you will be doing tick-tock, a boring job. Grandfather, इतना काम, इतना बड़ा काम, ये नहीं होता, ठप. And it just went ठप. Then, a clever little student of Sector 49, Charu Mani student, goes up to grandfather clock and says, "Grandfather clock, you just worry about your this tick, the top will automatically fall. Just do this one tick and the top will follow." And till today, take it from me, I was told by Mr. Charu Mani that the grandfather clock is still carrying on happily through the You can have the next slide. Now, ma'am, I think all of you have been given such a folder. Yes. Now, please open the folder. इसके नीचे वो थोड़ी सी सील लगी हुई है. Just open it, and you will find एक इस किस्म का एक ये लगा हुआ होगा एक fork. Now, you will be wondering what this is and why this is there. You see, there was once a lady, I'm talking again of England, she had a terminal illness. She was an old lady, terminal illness. She knew she was going to die and die any day now. So she called the priest from the church and he said, "Hey, bhai, मेरे बच्चे अच्छे हैं, लेकिन they may or may not follow my instructions fully. मैंने पैसे ये इकट्ठे करके रखे हुए हैं. I want you to take the money and give me a burial that I want." The priest said कि ठीक है, but why talk about burial? आप ठीक हो जाओगे, अभी तो डॉक्टर्स ने देख रहे. मैंने कहा, "Look, I know I have a terminal illness and now it's a matter of maybe a few days and I will be no more. So I want you to please note every word." So the priest said, "Okay, tell me." So she said, "When I die, I have to be dressed in this use white floral dress. It should be flowing dress. और इसमें white में मेरे को dress up करके, I want a coffin of mahogany wood. और उसके अंदर pink color का satin के साथ उसकी अंदर की interior बना. Let me lie down in that. Once you have put me there, in one hand I should have the Bible, and in the other a fork, which I have given to you. In the other hand a fork. So the priest said, okay, ma'am, I understand the requirement for a coffin, your vision of your dress and of the interior of the coffin. I understand in one hand you want the Bible, but I do not understand, why do you want a fork? She said, okay, whenever we came to the parish, to the church, after your sermon, there used to be a small eats ka party, chota sa. In that, everything would be served, we would have everything. But what we were eating with the fork, we would hold on to the fork because we knew that chocolate cake you will bring out in the last. So we used to hold on to that fork, and the best is yet to come. So dear, I am giving you this. ये जो आपके पास जो है, it is a testimonial from my side to you. DAV is growing. Awards are coming our way. In every way we are growing. You take any dimension. DAV is growing. But I assure you, if the synergy stays the same, if all of us work together, hand in hand, the best is yet to come. So you can hold this with you, keep it with you, and after a few years, I prove to you the best is yet to come. So with these words, I thank you all for a very patient listening. I thank Mrs. Shari and of course Pramod Bhajaji, half time he's been sleeping. But anyway, all the best to you, all the best to you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। ना हम सफल ना किसी हमनशी से निकलेगा, हमारे पाँव का कांटा हम ही से निकलेगा। आपके कहे वचनों को हम अवश्य आत्मसात करने का प्रयास करेंगे। आपके द्वारा कहे गए वचनों में गोते लगाकर हम तो धन्य हो गए। आपका अनेक अनेक साधुवाद।
Sir, the motivational talk presented by you was like a gentle rain that nurtured the soil of our minds and kindled the fire within us to dream, aspire and achieve. Each word you spoke carried a profound message, reminding us of our potential and the importance of perseverance, persistence and determination. Your guidance is a treasure trove and we are eternally grateful for this priceless experience. Now I would like to invite Ms. Charumani to propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. तहे दिल से शुक्रिया आप सबका, आप सब आए, and for Mahajan sir for creating this event, and for Padma Shri Shri Poonam Suri ji sir for you that you have come. It's the whole ambience of this hall is just elevated
because you are here. People are here because you are here. And really, the best is yet to come. We all, are we all, do we all agree? All the DAVians, the principals, yes, the best is yet to come. I am dreaming big, and my dream is that DAV schools should be the first choice of every parent. It should not be the second or the third. It should not be that brand नहीं है. DAV तो है शायद, अच्छा है, सब कुछ अच्छा है, यहाँ पर पढ़ाई भी अच्छी होती है, गेम्स भी अच्छे होते हैं, लेकिन शायद ब्रांड वैल्यू नहीं है. कई लोग ऐसे इसलिए दूसरे स्कूल्स में डालते हैं.
ये सस्ता है, बाकी के महंगे हैं.
हाँ, ये सस्ता है, कोई बात नहीं. तो आप लोगों को ये वाले विचार आने चाहिए कि सस्ता है और बेस्ट है. सबसे सस्ता है और सबसे अच्छा है. सबसे अच्छा है, महंगे में जाकर भी कुछ ऐसा नहीं मिलने वाला है. यहाँ पर when we talk of पंचकोशीय विकास है ना, जो NEP में आया है, so सब कुछ तो DAV में ऑलरेडी हम कर रहे हैं. लास्ट फ्रॉम अन्नमय कोश क्या खाना चाहिए to आनंदमय कोश, we are planning that each and every child and parent gets to know that the ultimate aim of humanity is to spread happiness, and that's what our revered president sir always says, मुस्कुराते रहो. तो हम खुद मुस्कुराएंगे तो हम दूसरों को भी मुस्कुराहट देंगे. If I don't have coffee at my home, I won't be able to serve coffee. So first of all, I have to be happy so that I can spread happiness. Thank you so much, sir, for being here, spreading so much of positivity and happiness. I can see all around. I'm sure you have also gauged from the smiles that everyone is having that yes, your presence, your smile and happiness is spreading, and this is the word that DAV is best, is spreading like a wildfire.
इसके बाद
So-
कॉफी तो मिल रही है ना?
Sorry?
कॉफी मिलेगी ना इसके बाद?
Yes, मेरे पास यहाँ कॉफी है. मैंने बोला घर पे अगर ना हो तो नहीं दे पाऊँ. कॉफी मिलेगी. कॉफी भी मिलेगी, कश्मीरी कहवा भी मिलेगा. Okay. So a very cheerful good afternoon to all. I am feeling immensely overwhelmed by the presence of the distinguished gathering, the luminaries who have graced this occasion. I fell short of words to tell that how blessed we are feeling. We, the teachers of DAV Sector 49 are feeling. Are we? And not only teachers of DAV 49, it is the whole education community of DAV Gurugram. My co-traveler, Ms. Aparna Eri, is sitting here, and the teachers from different schools of Gurugram, DAV schools of Gurugram here. So we feel blessed that we are led by Revered Vice President of DAV, Shri Prabodh Mahajan ji. Thank you so much, sir. So I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude, Padma Shri Dr. Puram Suri ji, President DAV CMC, the beacon of inspiration for all of us, and Ma'am Mani Suri ji for adding splendor to this gathering. I just सुबह से एक गाना मन में गूंज रहा था, तो तू है तो दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आती है, तू है तो DAV नहीं लगता, whatever. So DAV is blessed to have a president with you. Thank you so much, sir. A heartfelt thank you to Shri Prabodh Mahajan ji, Vice President DAV CMC and Chairman of DAV Schools Gurugram, our guiding force and epitome of and huge support. He is a perfectionist par excellence. He will not settle for anything just which is mediocre. So this is jo hai na, he has shown us the path that we have to dream big and achieve big. Thank you so much, Savatri. Shri Yogesh Munjal ji, Vice President DAV CMC and Vice Chairman LMC of our school. Sir, with his warm smile and the assurance that he is there, is always there. Thank you so much, sir. I earnestly extend my gratitude to Justice Pritam Pal ji. Thank you so much, sir, for coming all the way to bless us. and elevating the ceremony, Mr. Anil Rao, Vice President DAV-CMC, and with his wife, they have come, and I earnestly extend my gratitude. Dr. Harsh Mahajan, Vice President DAV-CMC, Dr. Rana, Vice President DAV-CMC. We are really thankful that you all have come. We are sincerely grateful for your time and presence. I am highly grateful to Ma'am Dr. Nisha Patient, Director Academics, DAV-CMC and DAV-CAE, who has been a phenomenal mentor in all our ventures, and your presence makes our heart swell with pride. Thank you, ma'am. I extend my gratitude to Mr. S.K. Sharma and Dr. V. Singh, Director Publications, DAV-CMC. I extend my wholehearted thankfulness to Dr. Vinod Prakash Gupta, member DAV-CMC, and former Principal Secretary to HP Government, and Ms. Shashi Gupta for gracing the occasion. Our mentor, Mrs. Adarsh Kohli, the manager, who herself has been a President Awardee, and I think she has pushed us to this. Charu Bharo, because sir was saying कि persistence. So persistence के लिए there has to be a push. Sometimes जैसे हनुमान जी को भी नहीं पता था कि उनकी क्या कैपेबिलिटीज़ है, मुझे भी नहीं मालूम था कि मेरी कैपेबिलिटीज़ क्या है. तो उसके लिए you need some teacher who says yes, you can do it and you will do it. So one thanks goes to Mrs. Kohli because she made me persist, and another thanks goes to my husband, Mr. Kripil Mani, because इस बार मैंने सच में सोचा था कि इस बार मैं बिल्कुल फॉर्म नहीं भरूंगी, इस बार बेटी की शादी करेंगे तो फॉर्म नहीं भरेंगे, लेकिन फॉर्म भर दिया और that's how it is और बेटी की शादी. And Dr. D.V. Sethi ji, Mr. M.K. Dang, member LMC, Dr. D.S. Sharma ji, member LMC, you always guide us and bless us, and that's what we are. That's why we are what we are. I feel grateful to our mentors, our extraordinary mentors, जो सिखाते हैं उड़ान भरने का हुनर, उनके चरणों में झुकता है मेरा समर्पण. तो मैं एकदम तहे दिल से आप सबका धन्यवाद करती हूँ. I started my journey and could not have wished for more. First of all, receiving an award of this stature couldn't have been possible without the guidance of our mentors, and who was standing by, ready to guide me and uplift me. I really remember those days when I went to Director Ma'am, and without flinching a moment, and she helped me with whatever we required to fill the forms. My errors and mistakes have just been steps on this path of growth, and I could have counted on mentors to guide me, support me, and steer me towards success. So it's a matter of cosmic coincidence. Yes, sir, I do not know whether you remember. It was 18th of January 2020 when you came to our school and for Poonam Ki Pathshala. And today again it is 18th of January. So though we had planned it for some other day, but the way it could have, the cosmos could conspire, it is again 18th of January today. तो 5 साल का ये वो है, तो हम एक पैक्ट कर लेते हैं कि आपने आना ही है यहाँ पर और हम सबको गाइडेंस देनी है. So thank you so much everyone. I am really overwhelmed with emotions to express more. I feel today I am filled with new energy. Not only me, we all, aren't we? We all are filled with new energy and passion to live up to the expectations. And so that you have from us, and we will all make DAV shine. Please say with us, DAV Jai Jai. DAV Jai Jai. Yes, we all will together make this institute. It is the best. We will see to it that each and every DAV school and institute is the best. So we will strive for that. We are looking for that. That is the dream. So the most beautiful moments always seem to accelerate and slip beyond one's grasp, just when you want to hold them for as long as possible. And it is time that I say
Edu, and thank you. Once again, thank you all for making this event a memorable one, impactful one, and let us continue, all of us together, to work together towards a shared goal, a shared vision. The shared goal and shared vision that we at DAV will give the best human resource to our country. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.